So today we look at earth geometry, and I welcome you all to Joseph Schnoyer Math Solution, and I invite you that we work out the question on the board together. So let's go through it. This is the diagram we have been given, which is the earth geometry itself. Then the questions are identify. Question number 1, identify position A, B, and C. So when you're identifying some positions on the earth geometry, you must be able to study or to identify the latitudes and also the longitudes. What are latitudes? Latitudes are lines from the west to the east. These are latitudes. So we have this latitude here, and this latitude there, and also this latitude there. Then we also have the longitudes. So we have this is the longitude. We also have another longitude here. We also have another longitude there. So these are longitudes and the latitudes. Now, the next thing is when you're identifying something or a position, the positions are always written in a form of latitudes, comma, longitudes. So we start with a latitude, then now we identify also the longitude. So it's the same as the way we identify positions when we are dealing with the Cartesian x or y plane. We always start with the value of x, okay, the x-axis. Then now we go to the value of the y-axis. Same as when you are singing the song A, B, C, D, E, F, G. When you reach to VW, X, Y. So the one which comes first is the value of x, okay, the x-axis. Then the value of y, just as alphabetical. The one which comes first is x, then y follows thereafter. So in this case, let's identify A. What is A? A is on the position. What is the latitude for A? The latitude for A is 16 degrees north. What about the longitude? The longitude is 18 degrees west. This is the west. So it is not about where the longitude is. No, it is about what is written. So normally, some upon seeing this, it is this side, they normally guess and they normally get this one as it is to the east part. But what is written here, it's saying this is 18 degrees west. So this longitude, it is to the west part of this earth geometry or this diagram. Then, so I'm done with A. What about B? B, it is at the latitude of 16 degrees north, and the longitude is 95 degrees west. Where is C? The C is at the latitude of 45 degrees south. This is 45 degrees south, and the longitude is this is the longitude, and this is the degree for this longitude, which is 95 degrees west. Now, question number 1. So we answer question number 1. Question number 1, we are identifying A. So A, the position of A is equal to, we'll start with the latitude. It is 16 degrees north, comma, the longitude is 18 degrees west. So this is the answer for A, for number 1A. What about position B? Position B is this part here, or this part here. So what is the latitude there? It is 16 degrees north, then comma, what is the longitude? It is 95 degrees west. Okay, so we are done with the position B. Now we go to position C. Position C, what is the latitude here? It is 45. As we can see it, 45 degrees south, comma, the longitude is 95 degrees west. So these are the positions for question number 1. Now we go to question number 2. Question number 2. What is question number 2? Question number 2 is saying, find the difference in longitude between A and B. Now, when you are finding the difference, you must bear in mind these 2 points I'm going to write. The first point is that when those given positions are of the different side, then if they are different sides, it means that you have to add the 2. You have to add the degrees of the 2 positions. But when the sides are the same, which is the SSS, this S, it stands for same. This S is side. This one stands for subtract. It means that you have to subtract. So if the sides are the same, the 2 sides given are of the same side, or the 2 positions given are of the same side, meaning you add. You subtract. But if the sides are different, then you add the 2 positions given, or the degrees given. Let's identify. Question number 2 says, find the difference in longitude between A and B. Where is A? A is here, and B is here. We are finding the difference in longitude. So where is longitude A? Longitude A is 18 degrees, west. It is to the west side. What about B? B is 95 degrees west also. So these are of the same side. They are of the same side. So we are going to subtract. So to find the difference, so we're going to say AB, therefore AB in longitude, it will be, we're going to subtract the smaller degree from the bigger degree. So we're going to have 95 minus 18. So the answer will be, what is 95 minus 18? This is 15 here. 15 minus 8, it will be 7. Then this one you have made with 8, since we borrowed 1. 8 minus 1, it will be 7. So the difference between A and B is 77. We are done with question number 2. Now we go to question number 3. What is question number 3? What is question number 3? Question number 3, it is saying, find the difference in latitude. We are going to use the same method. Are these latitude B and C, are they of the different side? If they are of the different side, we are going to add the 2. But if they are of the same side, meaning we are going to subtract the 2 latitudes. Now let's identify. The latitudes are these lines from the west to the east. So this is the east. This is latitude C, which is 45 degrees south, and latitude B, which is 16 degrees north. So this is south, this is north. So the 2 sides are, the 2 latitudes are of the different sides. So we are going to add. We are going to add the 2. So we are going to say BC is equal to what is latitude B? Latitude B is 16 plus what is latitude C? Latitude C is 45. So we are going to have 6 plus 5, we are having 11. So 1 remainder 1. This one plus this one is 5, plus 1, 6. So this is the difference between latitude B and latitude C. So we are ending here with this question. We'll continue looking at such kind of questions under earth geometry. May you be advised accordingly. Thank you.